Quickly record this, just it's on the camera phone, but I figured you've not actually heard the car start up, so you don't even know if it works. Well, it does. I'm just going to show you. So just going to, there is a little cut-off switch on the old battery there. You can see I've done some pretty bodge wiring just for this this gauge. When I bought the car, there was no gauge, so I didn't actually know what boost I was running. The story is basically that when I bought the car, it was running really bad. It was actually running a stage 3 map with just the standard turbo, the T25 turbo, and it wasn't mapped for that. It was mapped for I think it's for the S15 T28 roller bearing turbo and bigger injectors. So the car just, I mean, I picked it up. It was a 6-hour round trip. It was a bit of a ball ache, to be honest. So it's just been literally fixing all the little bits, bringing it either back to standard, just so it'll work and drift, basically, get it on a drift day, and then think about sticking the Skyline engine in there. But we'll get to that a bit further on anyway. So we have got these nice little dandy quick releases, so I can literally just pop the positive one on. So literally pop it on there. Excuse the wiring. You can see the boost gauge does light up. It was just a quick bodge. Basically, there was no connector for it. And as it's only like a mechanical, it just sees the vacuum and then swishes the needle. Right. Get the indicator off. Yeah, the fuel pump. Right. Well, that was a bit strange. It started up. It actually saw the boost gauge, so that's working. A little strange how oh, it literally just stopped. It went to start then. Let's try it again. We are having some issues with this car. There seems to be an issue with the hot start. I actually had this a few days I'm not too sure. I'm gonna have to investigate this. So, well, even though I was gonna do a story of the car starting, it doesn't look like I'm going to be able to show you that. Okay, I'm not really sure what I've actually done, but it's actually come back up, so we'll try it again. See the boost gauge work. Seems to have fired up fine. I don't hear it's quite loud. Yeah, that's a bit of a result. So at least it works. You can see it is trying to make a bit of pressure there. Results! Get in there!